So this is just a kind of landscape picture of kind of the stuff we've been talking about. There are a few things added in, but you've got down there looking at the road, you got the asphalt and concrete, the crops, forests, interestingly. Grasslands are, in some cases, and crops can be a little more reflective than some forests. And strangely enough, deforestation can cause a little more reflection, making it a little cooler, but you also lose the whole water cycle role of forests, of which in big forests can be a big factor. Um, the moon, that's an interesting one. One of the props I did some research with at Arizona State years ago did a project where they actually measured with very sensitive instruments, otherwise similar conditions when there was a moon, full moon, or no moon. And interestingly, um, there it was the nights were slightly warmer when there was a full moon than when there was a partial moon. Less solar radiation being reflected to the earth made it cooler.